Today, I'm going to show you how to combine items that have sold on eBay. We've got two items here that were not combined in the original shipping. They both sold first class, which means that they weigh under a pound. I'm going to ship these together, and I'm either going to do one of two things. I'm either going to save the buyer some money on shipping, or two, if it's over a pound and I have to ship it priority, I might not save them money, but I'm going to get it to them a lot faster. They are going to ship in a poly mailer. And let me show you what a poly mailer is, because it's real easy to assume, if you've been doing this a long time, that everybody knows what you're talking about. So let me show you a poly mailer. This is a poly mailer. It measures about 12 inches by 9 inches. Melody and I get these on eBay, and we use our store coupon. You get a coupon every quarter. We use our store coupon to buy these. I also buy some prettier ones on Amazon. Let me show you what those look like. The ones I get on Amazon usually have a print on them. We will go ahead and ship these in that poly mailer. These are fairly easy to ship. They are going to stack together. These are going to slide right in there. Just like that. These have a peel and stick strip on them. So do the eBay ones. And that is packed up. That's ready to go. So let's get a weight on that and see what this is going to cost to ship. Okay. So that came in at 13.8 ounces, which means it's going to still be under a pound. So I'm going to ship this first class. Let me show you exactly what that looks like on the computer when I do that. So now we've moved over to the computer, and you will see right here are those two items. We know it's under a pound. It's packed up. It's ready to go. I'm going to start by shipping the pants. It doesn't matter which one you ship first. And so you can see in here that it already says that the weight was 1 pound. It's 9 by 12 by 3 inches. The measurements are still going to be accurate. And it's a first class package. I charge the buyer $4.29. Looks like it's going to cost me $6.44. At that point, I'm going to print the shipping label. Okay, so I've shipped the first item. So on eBay now, it's just going to show the pants that have shipped. The shirt has not shipped. So let me show you what I do with that. Back here, you're going to see I have the option of copying the tracking number. So I'm going to copy that. Now, right here, you're going to see back to order. So I'm going to go back there. And I'm going to scroll down to the shirt. And see this little down arrow right here? I'm going to click on that. And I am going to the very top one. Says add tracking number. And I'm going to do that. And I'm going to paste that. And it should auto-populate United States Postal Service. If it doesn't, I'll go ahead and up that. Now I'm going to save and continue. Sometimes it will automatically mark this as shipped, but lately it hasn't been. So I think one of the updates stopped that. I'm going to hit the down arrow again. Before I put marked as shipped, I want to send the buyer a note. I paid $6.44. They were $4.29 each, so about $8.60. You certainly wouldn't have to refund anything, but probably what I'll do is I'll refund the buyer $2. They combined orders. They're probably expecting me to save some money on the shipping. We have enough of a markup in these to do that. Your other option would be to ship it priority mail, and it cost, he would have paid about $8.60, and it would cost you about that to ship it in a priority envelope. But I'm going to put contact buyer, and right here, I'm going to send them a note and let them know I've combined shipping. This is not a complicated note. It just basically lets them know they're expecting one package. It also puts in eBay for me a note that I've told the buyer what I'm doing. And there's a record, aside from just having combined the shipping, there's also a record of me having combined shipping. I'm going to send them that message. And before I do that, I am going to send a refund. When you send a refund, here at the top, you can select a reason for the refund. And I can click right here, and at the very bottom, shipping discount. And all I'm going to put here is thank you again. And order level, I'm going to put $2. And notice that eBay refunds the fees on that too. So now I want to go back and I am going to click mark as shipped. And now that item shipped, that's all there is to it. Alternatively, if I had sent that priority, the note would say that I've shipped these priority, and while I didn't save you any money, you should get these several days faster. If you need it, I will put the note in my description so you can copy and paste it. You're welcome to use any of that I've written out to make your own easier. And that's really all there is to combining an order if the buyer has bought more than one item and has already paid. If you're ready to start listing some more items, click right here and I'm going to help you get that done. Thanks.